guys, so it's me again. Your ate nyo Jaja, no edit, no filter, just me. So, ayan, andito na naman kayo. So, ang pinag-uusapan natin dito is about mga pangarap, pursuing your dreams and goals. So, dito sa vlog na to is magpapakototoo lang tayo. So, parang naghahanap ka ng kausap, share mo dito sa akin, comment down below. So, ayun, pag-uusapan natin ang mga pangarap natin. Kung lost na ba kayo? And I'm just back. After 1 year, I got back. And I choose to upload again a video. So, I'm here now working as a OFW. So, I'm working in a cruise ship. So, why I'm here? Because I'm pursuing my dreams. So, being a breadwinner, so ako yung hindi nawawala ng pag-asa. So, I don't lose hope that someday I will cut, kumbaga, I'm the first one who will end the poverty. Charot. Yung kahirapan sa ating family. Ganyan. So, I hope you are the one also kung ikaw ay nakikinig ngayon. So, pag-uusapan natin if na-achieve mo na ba ang dreams mo ngayong taon? So, ako, I'm telling you, one step at a time. Don't pressure yourself. Don't pressure yourself. Step by step. Okay? The more na magmamadali ka, the more na maliligaw ka. And that happened to me as well. So, I'm telling you, lagi mong gagawin first, pray to Him. He is guiding you anywhere. He is supporting you. I'm telling you, whatever happened in your life there's a purpose. Okay? So, from now on is lagi siya ang uunahin mo. Humingi ka ng guidance sa Kanya. So, ako, this year, yes, step by step, I get my house. But still, may kulang pa rin. Binabayaran ko pa rin siya. But after that, my dream is to have a business. To have my own business, to have my own product. And that's my real goal. And to do vlogs and to inspire people to be an influencer. Yes, I am not perfect, but I want God to use my word. So, I want God to use my brain, my mouth to spread that nothing is impossible with God. Just trust the process. Ikaw rin ba yung katulad ko na lagi nagmamadali, na laging go lang na go, but hindi mo na nag-iisip? Sabi ko nga sa iyo, don't lean on your own understanding. Sometimes, the more na nagpupush tayo, pinupush natin ang isang bagay, the more na bumabagal, the more na nagkakamali. And it happens as well to me. Okay? I am telling you, if may mga pangarap ka in life, step by step lang. Huwag yung bubuhos mo lahat. Kaya pag lumagapak ka, mas masakit. Alright? So, ipag-pray mo muna yung pangarap mo. And huwag ka mawawala ng pag-asa, okay? Nothing is impossible with Him. Lagi mo yan tatandaan. And ang gusto ko sabihin sa'yo, kung nasaan ka man ngayon, kung feeling mo wala ka ng pag-asa, feeling mo ang gulo-gulo na ng isip mo, feeling mo hindi mo na kayang abutin yung mga pangarap mo kasi too late na. Halimbawa, maedad ka na, halimbawa, napag-iwanan ka na ng mga kaibigan mo, don't lose hope, okay? Don't you ever lose hope. Nothing is impossible. may kanya-kanya tayong journey, okay? Gaya ko, ngayon nagsasalita ako ngayon sa harapan nyo ulit. I'm just back. I'm back. There's a lot of changes in my life. Now, I transfer in another ship. But this is bigger. Okay? But sometimes maraming mga boss, right? So many bosses. Yung gusto nila, lumuhod tayo sa kanila. Gusto nila, ipa-feel natin sa kanila na sobrang boss sila. Minsan nakakairita yun. Grabe, nakarelate ba kayo dyan? Comment down below. Hindi pwede sa kanilang sumibangot, hindi sa kanila pwedeng mamasamain nila. Kaya alam mo, yun yung mga nagpupush sa akin talaga na umalis sa pagiging OFW, umalis sa pagiging trabahante, empleyado. Gusto kong maging sarili kong boss sa aking business na bigay niya. Okay? Siya ang talagang may-ari. Pero walang imposible na pwede ka rin maging boss sa sarili mong product or business. But as of the moment, kung nagwo-work ka sa isang company, kailangan mo talaga sundin yung mga amo mo. Okay? Ayun lang, na-share ko lang sa inyo kasi ngayon, na-experience ko ngayon yun na tatlo-tatlo yung lumalapit sa yung boss na bakit ganyan, bakit ganito, bakit nandito ito, bakit bakit parang hindi maganda yung araw mo, galit ka ba, what else, kunin mo yung ano doon, check mo yung yung mga backup doon kung para pag magre-refill ka sa ano kasi ako sa buffet. Minsan di ba nakakairita? Nakarelate ka ba? Nakakairita kasi ang dami nilang boss. Ba't ba? Yung parang gusto mo sumigaw, parang yun yung pa yung nagpo-push sa'yo na, anak, kung gusto mo umalis dyan, magtiwala ka sa akin, ipurso mo yung dreams mo na magka-business ka, sasamahan kita sa Pilipinas, where I live in the Philippines, okay? Then, this is the reason why I am pursuing my dreams. So as of the moment, I'm saving money and then I will pursue to have my own business. But I'm thankful to have this company helping me to grow step by step. Okay? And at the same time, reminds me that nothing is impossible. I can be the boss. You can be a boss in step by step. Okay? Lagi mo lang paniniwalaan ang sarili mo na lahat pwedeng mangyari. Lahat pwede na matupad. Like me, okay? And ayun, I hope may napulot kayo sa mga pinagsasabi ko ngayon araw. Gusto ko lang i-share yung nararamdaman ko. Kasi ang bigat-bigat. Nainis talaga ako kanina. Actually, makalawa pa pala yun. Pero ngayon ko lang na-share. Na-realize ko lang na i-open ito ulit na vlog na to. Kung kasama ka dito at naka-subscribe ka or hindi ka pa naka-subscribe, please subscribe to me for more. Okay? I hope you like this video and give a thumbs up for me and comment down below if nakarelate ka sa akin. And lagi niyong tandaan, nothing is impossible with God. Just trust the process. Okay? By the way, it's me again, your Ate New Jaja, Sebastian TV. Bye! See you in my next vlog.